Hello, guys. I super miss you, my YouTube followers and friends. It's been a while, I know, a really long while. Came to a point in my life when I somehow lost the confidence. Yeah, but then I thought, hey, I'm here to inspire people, to tell them that not everything in this world is perfect. When my tiny home wasn't finished as planned, I was devastated, thinking how we are gonna live here. But moving here, kahit hindi pa move in ready and slowly adapting to a new lifestyle somehow healed me. Slowly, everything was starting to get better. Praying helps. Mag-pray ka lang at manalig ka, you will have a clear mind sa mga desisyon mo. Meanwhile, kape tayo, friends. Negative.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So, nag-swimming kami ganina. Now, we're gonna go magsisimba lang. Malapit lang siya dito. So, mamotorin na lang namin.